So in the last session, we talked about introduction to the back office. I explained what is back office, why every distributor need to master their back office, overview of some features and how to log in to back office. Not only that, then how to claim your username and password, even if you don't know. Those are things that we did in the first one. So in these modules, I'm going to be talking about how to better understand your business stats. So what is PV? What is PPV? How do you get it? What is QPV? What is GPV in this very simple terms that you understand? Then how do you track your business growth and performance? Then how to understand what legs means and what it is, then total business. Then common mistake distributor makes when reading their stats. Okay, so let's get to it. So the first one is explanation of these stars, these terms. All these already, what you have, you can see PV here. It simply means point value, point value. So each of the products already have a point attached to it. So point value. So what this one simply means is this is a point value. As at this time I'm recording this video, this is the point value uh that I have here. So now be thinking of, okay, what is PPV? So a lot of you, maybe as you're watching this, your PV and PPV might be the same. Yes. But if you are wondering why is this personal point value? Personal point value is, so this is top point value. Why personal point value is total purchases that are being made on your ID as at that month, that current month. So as at this time I'm creating this video right now, this is the total. So you might be wondering, there's a difference, of about 38. So you are wondering where is that 38 from? So let me give you an example. So when someone that is not a distributor purchase products using your link, whatever that person did automatically come for you, but it's going to be recorded under PPV. Is that clear now? So you have a front shop like your NeoLife website. So when somebody place order from there, and the person is not a distributor, the person is buying on retail price, the points from that order was added to you and you find it under this PPV. But when no one buy anything externally that is not a distributor, the same value that you have on this personal point value is what you are going to still have here. Okay, then you also have qualified points. So there's qualified points every month. So as at this time now, qualified points for a director, 4,000. In fact, when I say director, either you are five diamond, you must, even if you are five diamond, you must have that your qualified point here. Your qualified point is different from total business. So your qualified point is the most important to you at the end of the month. Is what entitles you to earn from even leadership development bonus and the rest. Then group point value is your points and your downline, all of them together. That is what you will have there. As you can see, this number, as at the time of recording this video, this is what we have right now. Then legs. Leg is as you are developing the number of director in your team. You are a Sapphire, you are Ruby, you are a director as well, because director can also have a director as well. Even if you are a senior manager, the senior manager can also have director in video. So as you have a director, the number of director will be like, 16 director leg is um 5 diamond. One director leg is Sapphire, and so on and so forth. We'll get to all that. Then total business points value for that month. So at the end of the month, the total of all the PV for the entire business, you are going to have it here. And just in case you don't still get some of these things very well, if you look at this place where you have business stats, if you click this exclamation mark, you still see some brief explanation of what it means. Okay, So for example, leg represent the number of first level qualified director, first level that people that immediately under you in that particular month. Why the unit represent the number of leg needed to qualify for your current title. So for example, if you're a sapphire, your current title, you will need at least one. So that could be 1/1. So what you now have is 1/1. So if you are a one ruby, you need three. So that will be 3/3, like three director legs in that sense. Okay. So this is what all this business start this PV, PPV, QPV means. Then how do you track your growth and performance? So it's very easy here, and that's why you have a back office. Can track your growth and performance. So immediately you log in, as that particular month, your status is different from your title. Okay, your title change or your status change every month. It's not statics. Okay, so if you look at this place now, uh, you can see sales performance. You will see the business performance there. Then, for the purpose of this, we are talking about how to track your business growth performance. Your business growth performance, you can track that by coming to reports. From your reports, you can see statements. For your statements, you will see every month. Every month, you have what we call, let's this load finish. Um, load finish. Let me just select anyone. Every month, so you can select from all of these kinds. Ever since you joined the business, you have all the details. Everything you have it in your back office. Okay. So let me just select anything randomly. So you see what we call business profile here. The business profile explain the standard status of a business, and it's going to show you what that means in the last 1 year. Wow, so I think some errors are coming up here. Maybe that file is not available at this time. Let me check this other one. So you always have it. So that first one that I click is not opening. Let me just select another one. So business status is going to show, wow, possibly there's an update or something going on. Yeah, that is not going well currently. Okay, I'm just trying to select anything. Anything. I'm just trying to select anything. Let me see. From So basically, so what we have on this status is going to tell you how many people on your directly, like how many people that come into your business directly, how many people that come under your team, what have you been earning in the last 1 month, in the last 1 year. So you are going to have all that on the business status. So what you just need to do, go to your accounts, report statements. So when you get to this statement, what you are want to check is business profile. So I don't know why it's not downloading in that sense. So what you want to check is business profile. So, and that's how you know the growth of a business. And another way to know what you need to do, what are the things that you need to do to move on with the next step in your business is when you come to under team here, you will have what we call rank advancement. Rank advancement. Under this rank advancement, you will see what are the things that you need to do at every point in time. For example, these are different uh, status that are valuable in your life. So for example, now if I click 5 diamond now, it said, so what you have done so far based on this account that I'm using is 11% complete to become a 5 diamond. That to become a 5 diamond, you must be an active, meaning your account has not expired. You must have your personal 100 PV, meaning it has done. in that particular month, you must put a qualifier point of 4,000. You must have a group PV of 500,000. Then you must have 18 director legs. I think I mentioned 16 the other time. It's 18. 18 director leg. And you must have been 5 two times between the last 4 months, 5 months, in between the last 4 months. So even from the system, you can know what you need to do from time to time and how you achieve all this. So you can come here and go through each of the status and see the breakdowns of what you need to do to actually achieve that. So that is how you can actually monitor your business growth. Understanding legs, I've explained leg when I was explaining the PV, QPV. So leg is the number of director that you are developing. Then total business points is total group points of your business in that particular current month. And what are the current mistake distributor makes when reading stats? So from our experience, uh one of the major issue that distributor have sometimes. For example, if I did not explain the difference between these 206 and 244, you'll be wondering what's the difference. So when somebody place order, you have that PV added to you, but it's going to show up under this PV. Then again, when you have developed, again, another thing is until the last day of the month. Yeah, we are not even, this is even a new month. Yeah, I'm recording this in a new month, in a fresh month. Like, so you are not, until the month is end and the round up, the pooling is being done, you cannot basically determine the calculation of entire thing you are going to earn. The only thing you can know at the time is your sales value bonus. So what you are seeing here, like this one is a sales value bonus of 15,000. As at this time, this is being calculated only on 3% as at this time. Okay. However, the legs for leadership development bonus on the on this place does not added to this sales funnel bonus. So by the time leadership development, maybe one director, two director, or the three director that qualify in a month, by the time you add that, it's even much more than whatever is going to be on sales volume bonus. So most time when people develop a director and they are not seeing the kind of money they expect, you'll be like, okay, what's going on? I've had one director, especially the first, when you first, maybe it's your first time of developing director and you're expecting to see much more. And these are, is until the end of the month before the leadership development bonus as a sort of developing a director before it will appear on your payment advice. So there's nothing to be worried about at that time. Just wait for the month to be round up. Okay. So that is it about common mistake that people make when it comes to stats. So as you're watching this, if there's any question from module 1 to this second module, you can actually drop it at the comment section and I'll be able to attend to that. See you in the next video. In the next video, we are going to be talking about enrollment and team growth.